how to build storage.
Let's go. This is for
The cars and
materials.
Stuff.
Okay.
And they also put this. You can dump it out. Now you're gonna put it in.
Ah.
You put it in. It fell down. I don't know why. Is this one? I'll just put it. You put this.
What else for this material? The orange materials.
I will first put this one, the longest one here,
Mm-hmm.
and the other one, another longest one, the same one, and the shortest one,
Oh.
the tiniest one.
Oh, so it's complete. It's like a bag. You can hand it on. Show me. Ah, awesome. So cool. Look
And
at
we
cool.
can dump it out like this.
Ah.
We're finished with this trampoline drum. We already just show you how to play it, right?
Yes. And this kind seems like it's really hard.
Yeah. We need to click it.
Oh. And then
For me.
let's try. Okay. Click it up. Oh. Maybe you need daddy's help.
Daddy,
We need help.
can you help me to click? Click, click.
Yes. Yes. Oh, I see.
And now we're gonna hit it.
Okay, let's go.
And when we win, we can have a prize.
Like ice cream?
It's ice cream chocolate with strawberry ice cream.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, if you
With chocolate on top of the strawberry.
okay, this time if you succeed.
We cannot have a prize.
Oh, we cannot have a prize. Okay, okay. Again. Let's do it. Oh. Oh, you almost success. Once again.
Yeah! Give me five. Give me five, hurry.
Yeah! I'm gonna show you how to play this sport. It is gravity drop.
Oh, this is a gravity drop style. Okay.
Okay, I'll show you how to play.
Showtime.
We need. How about with you two?
Okay. Oh, success one. Awesome.
And also land on the wheels.
Okay. Try again. I'm gonna shoot right here. Uh-oh, you lose the game.
But it still lands on the wheels. Oh no!
Let's go. Oh, success. Oh.
I tell you what, because this heavier than that one. That one is lighter than this one.
Let's try another way. Okay, this way we already know how to build it. Let's try another. Let's go.
It's very character, and you can ask your mommy and daddy to buy this toy. And it also comes with a structure that you can see how to build different ways.
Wow. you have a picnic time or somewhere. You can also bring this toy to share with your friends, right?
Yes.
Oh, so
But
cool.
we need to put it in a bag.
Okay.
A big bag.
Okay.
A bigger bag.
A bigger bag.
A bigger bag than us. That's so big. That's so tiny. Thank you for watching this cartoon. See you next time.